Hello everyone. So today we will start with the adaptive radiation process. Adaptive radiation, it shows the divergent evolution. What is divergent evolution means from this same point, the different species means from the same organism from the common ancestor when the different species that are formed. Okay, so it is a type of divergent evolution. So adaptive radiation in case of Australian marsupials. This is an example of Australian marsupials. So marsupials means that the babies that remain in the pouch for some duration till maturity, like in case of kangaroo. So all these different species that are marsupials and they are present as they are present in the Australia. So that's why their name is Australian marsupials. Okay. Now here this point, it is acting as a common ancestor, and from the common ancestor the different species that arise because of inhabiting the different habitats in the same geographical area, that is Australia. ओके, इट मीन्स कि जो कॉमन एंसेस्टर थे उनसे जब डिफरेंट स्पीशीज फॉर्म होती हैं, जब वो डिफरेंट हैबिटेट को अडेप्ट करते हैं, तो तब इस प्रोसेस को हम अडेप्टिव रेडिएशन कहते हैं. और जब एक से ज़्यादा स्पीशीज की फॉर्मेशन हो रही है, then it is known as the adaptive radiation process. Okay, now you can see here that the different marsupials that are formed like wombat, bandicoot, koala, marsupial mole, sugar glider, Tasmanian wolf, tiger cat, banded anteater, marsupial rat, kangaroo. Okay, so these are the examples of the Australian marsupials which arise from the same ancestor. So now what will be the definition for the adaptive radiation? That the process of evolution of different species in a given geographical area starting from a point and radiating to the other areas of habitats is known as adaptive radiation. You can also write this definition in this form, that the evolution of closely related species in a given geographical area starting from a same point. Now next we will talk about the Darwin finches. Now what is Darwin finches? Darwin, during his journey to Galapagos Island, remember that he has done his journey in the HMS Beagle ship. Okay, so during his journey he found many varieties of the small black birds in the Galapagos Island. Okay, and these varieties actually they evolved from the same point, from the same bird, which was a seed eating bird. So that's why this example is of an adaptive radiation. It means that the original seed-eating birds, when migrated to different habitats of the Galapagos Islands, adapted to different feeding methods by altered beak structure to become insectivorous and vegetarian finches. इसका क्या मीनिंग बन रहा है यहाँ पे कि डार्विन ने क्या देखा ड्यूरिंग हिज जर्नी टू गैलापागोस आइलैंड कि जो एक सीड ईटिंग बर्ड्स थी जो कि गैलापागोस आइलैंड में प्रेजेंट थी, तो जब वो डिफरेंट हैबिटेट्स उन्होंने अडेप्ट किया, व्हेन these seed eating birds they adapted the different habitats of the Galapagos Islands, then there is a change in the beak structure. उनकी जो beaks थी, beaks क्या होती हैं, these beaks, so उनकी जो beaks में क्या था, change आ गया because of the evolution process, and now the new varieties, the new species that arised from the seed eating birds, some of them they become the insectivorous, and some of them they become the vegetarian finches. Now you can see here that the beak structure that varies, and all these black birds, these are found in the Galapagos Island. Okay, so that's why these are known as Darwin finches. Now next is about the placental mammals and Australian marsupials. Okay, if we will see the placental mammals only, like if you will see only the placental mammals. Now in this case, these examples, these organisms that are an example of the divergent evolution. How? Because all these placental mammals, they start means they evolved from a common ancestor, कि जो एक common ancestor था जो कि starting point की तरह act कर रहा था, तो उससे इतनी सारी species की formation हुई. Okay, so this is an example of adaptive radiation, means divergent evolution. Clear? And similarly is in the case of Australian marsupials. Here also you can see that the different organisms or the different species, they arise from the same point. मीन्स ये जितनी भी स्पीशीज़ हैं इनकी फॉर्मेशन एक कॉमन एंसेस्टर से हुई है. ठीक है. नाउ these are also the example of adaptive radiation, or you can say divergent evolution. But now you have to see both, means you have to compare with them, means you have to compare the placental mammals with the Australian marsupials. Now you can see that the mole morphologically structures or means features that are very similar to the marsupial mole. Anteater, they are similar to the anteater, means marsupial anteater. Mouse, it is also very similar with the marsupial mouse. Lemur, it is also similar with the spotted cuscus. So in this way, wolf and Tasmanian wolf, they are also similar. Bobcat, Tasmanian tiger cat. So what I want to say here, that this is the example of the separate adaptive radiation, and this is also an example of the separate adaptive radiation. And both of these adaptive radiations that occur in the Australia, these are the Australian marsupials and these are the Australian placental mammals. Okay, so when means more than one adaptive radiation occurred in isolated geographical area. Clear? Means more than one adaptive radiation. This is an example of one adaptive radiation. This is an example of one adaptive radiation. So when more than one adaptive radiation occurred in an isolated geographical area, then they show convergent evolution. Then they are showing the convergent evolution. How the convergent evolution? अगर हम इसको अलग से ले रहे हैं तो दिस इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डाइवर्जेंट एवोल्यूशन. इसको अगर हम अलग से एग्जाम्पल ले रहे हैं सो दिस इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डाइवर्जेंट एवोल्यूशन. बट इफ़ सपोज वी आर कंपेयरिंग विद ईच अदर, इन दोनों को हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं तो हमारे पास क्या आता है कि जो प्लेसेंटल मैमल्स के जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं वो काफ़ी हद तक सिमिलर है ऑस्ट्रेलियन मार्सूपियल्स की ऑर्गेनिजम्स की तरह. ओके, जबकि इनकी एवोल्यूशन अलग अलग स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट से हुई है. तो ये क्या शो कर रहा है? कन्वर्जेंस, हैविंग द सिमिलर स्ट्रक्चर. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर शोइंग द convergent evolution when we compare them with each other. Okay, now one question it is generally asked in the board exams, that how the wolf and the Tasmanian wolf they show the convergent evolution. So what you have to write in that that like Australian marsupial, the placental mammals in Australia also exhibit adaptive radiation in evolving into varieties of such placental mammals, each of which appears to be similar to a corresponding marsupial. For example, placental wolf and Tasmanian wolf.